Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, Jessica here, and it's my pleasure to bring you along this amazing journey through Praia de Galapinhos, Portugal. I hope you hit the like button and drop a comment before starting the tour. This helps me to share my incredible experience with new people, so please don't hesitate. Before getting started, Praia de Galapinhos is one of Portugal's most picturesque places. Located south of Comporta, I'm about to take you along to one of the best day trips from Lisbon, and it's absolutely breathtaking. From the seemingly endless path of white sand that stretches along the beach, it's easily accessible and you can get here right by car. Since it's such a lovely place, it can often be a bit hard to get a parking spot, but don't worry, the beach is expansive, so even if it's a little crowded, there's plenty of room and privacy to spread out. Once you've settled down, I'm sure you'll be just as mesmerized by the beautiful blue horizon as I am. And that view just keeps getting better and better. The sky is so lovely here that you may occasionally get so distracted by the natural beauty of this place that you don't even realize how much time has passed. Once you get to the water, it'll be hard to resist splashing into the crystal clear ocean and taking advantage of the gentle waves there. And if you're looking for a bit of beachside lounging, the waters can get so still and calm that it's like you're looking out over an endless pool of marine peace and harmony. But no matter what you tend to do while you're here, don't forget to take time to just stand still and breathe in the fresh air of Praia de Galapinhos. It's completely irresistible. By the time evening rolls in, I'm sure you'll be just as enchanted and content as I feel right now. But still, don't forget to have a moment of appreciation towards the beauty of this place before leaving. Thanks so much for joining me on this beach adventure.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.